The first time you do something only happens once. Chris Burden.
Chris Burden, April 11th, 1946. May 10th, 2015 was a groundbreaking American artist whose provocative and innovative works challenged conventions and explored themes of endurance, danger, and societal structures. Born in Boston, Massachusetts, and raised in California, Burden studied architecture and fine art, earning his BFA from Pomona College and his MFA from the University of California, Irvine, during the late 1960s and early 1970s, a time of social upheaval and artistic experimentation. Burden first garnered attention in the early 1970s with his performance art, which pushed physical and psychological limits. His most famous work, Shoot, 1971, involved being shot in the arm with a rifle, raising questions about violence, vulnerability, and the role of the artist. Other performances, like 5-Day Locker Piece, 1971, and Transfixed, 1974, where he had himself nailed to a Volkswagen Beetle, cemented his reputation as a fearless provocateur who used his body as both medium and message. In the later stages of his career, Burden shifted to large-scale installations and sculptures. His works often combined engineering, technology, and artistry to explore themes of power, infrastructure, and human ingenuity. Notable pieces include Urban Light, 2008, a beloved outdoor installation of restored streetlights at the Los Angeles County Museum of Art, LACME, and Metropolis 2, 2011, a kinetic sculpture featuring a miniature city with moving cars and trains. Burden's art was both deeply personal and universally resonant, addressing issues ranging from societal violence to the marvels and contradictions of modern civilization. Over his career, he influenced countless artists and expanded the boundaries of contemporary art. Chris Burden's legacy endures as a testament to the power of art to provoke thought, evoke emotion, and reimagine the world around us.